Hello there! Have you ever wondered about the mysterious workings of the blockchain technology? Today we're going to build one from scratch using Python. So, buckle up and let's decode the blockchain. First things first, what is a blockchain? In simple terms, it's a chain of blocks where each block contains data of value without any central supervision. It's a decentralized, distributed, and public digital ledger. Now before we kickstart our coding session, make sure you have Python installed on your system. It's the only snake we're dealing with today, folks. After installing Python, fire up your favorite IDE or text editor. I will be using Sublime for this tutorial. Create a new file and save it as blockchain.py. Let's start crafting our first block. The first thing we need to do is import the datetime module. This module holds classes for manipulating dates and times. It will help us generate timestamps for our blocks, as every good block deserves a good timestamp. Next, we define a block class with attributes, index timestamp, data, and previous hash. This will define the architecture of our blockchain. And now let's have a small commercial break. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to smack that like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. More interesting stuff is coming up, stay tuned. Welcome back, folks. Just a small recap, till now, we have defined an architecture for our blockchain. Now let's define our first block, the Genesis block. The Genesis block initiates the blockchain and can contain data according to our needs. Now we're getting to the fun part. Let's add data to our blocks. For this, we are creating an additional function nextBlock to determine the data for each block. And there we are, ladies and gentlemen. Those are the building blocks of our blockchain. But remember, with great blocks come the need for strong mining and consensus algorithms. So don't forget to add them. I hope this tutorial helps you understand the process of creating a simplified blockchain using Python. Remember, each block is like a unique snowflake in this blockchain blizzard. So, start coding and create your very own blockchain blizzard. Until next time, happy coding.